So today's been a special day for me. I haven't been like buying watches or, anything for myself. I have a lot of watches, and things have to be, really. I just haven't run across something that made me want to break my sort of informal vow. But I had three things come my way, and I just couldn't say no. So I'm going to talk about each one of them in turn. This isn't really going to be sort of an in-depth video. I'm looking at them really for the, with my own eyes the very first time. This came to me from Australia, from the original owner, and I'm buying this from him. I'm actually buying this for my personal collection. It's nice. It's cool. It's a late one. January 1977. This was actually made simultaneously with the 6309. That's how late this one is. It's got I see it's got a little, got some patina on the hands. I should be able to clean that up. Stoplight is still relatively unfaded. That makes me really happy. The pip is nice. A little bit of scratching on the insert. You can see it's got a hint of that blue. Just a hint of it. It's the original crystal. I'd warrant. I don't believe there were any servicing marks on the inside. I forget. Yes, I know, I'm being bad. I should have used protective film. My sincere apologies. Yep, and is correct for the late models. It has the flat-sided plates instead of not having the bevel that was there. Pretty. Look at the case back gasket. It's totally flattened. Yeah. I mean, I've seen flatter, but that's something. There's something written there. I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass on that. There's something scrawled in there. Huh. Interesting. Somebody I know was fooling with this. It's sort of the one drawback. I'm going to have to replace the crown because somebody was playing, like they were doing something with the, it looks like they had a pair of pliers on the crown. Long story short. Case is a nice wear. I mean, it's a little, like, I wouldn't call it beat up, but it's definitely, it's seen its share of uses, but the case lines are still present. Got nice brushing. What an elegant model. An unbeatable watch. There's nothing else like it. Absolutely nothing. Just magnificent. Yeah, I think, this is a special watch. I often talk about watches, feeling neutral or, not as attractive as they could be. There are some watches that feel good, and this is a nice watch. And Sebastian, I had this on the table last night. Sebastian and I look at shipwreck pictures and stuff at between 8 and 9, and we do that. And I had this watch upstairs, and he looked at it and he was like, "Oh, I want this watch. This watch is beautiful." Well, I guess I'm not going to sell it. It's a nice piece. It's got, I'd be hard pressed to think of what else if it could have that would make it go for me. So I'm going to go through, I'm actually going to I got the new mainspring from our good friend at Weekend Watch Repair. Adam sent me, he sent me a mainspring. That's what's in this box. So I'm going to service this watch And thank you very, very, very much, Adam. I'm going to service this watch and I'm going to use that mainspring, and we're going to see how we do with this. So there'll be a follow-up video on this.